In this video, I show you how to uninstall, remove or delete Dramastream Launcher. For doing this, go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps or find out Dramastream Launcher, then tap on it. You can see that there is no uninstall option. Scroll down, then click on home app, then tap on it, then go back to your phone launcher. For my case, Pixel Launcher, MI Launcher, System Launcher, any other launcher, tap on it, then go back to settings again, then go to apps, then click on Dramastream Launcher. You can see that there is an install option, or tap on it, then tap on OK. Now I hope that you successfully delete, remove Dramastream Launcher. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.